Once upon a time, in a lush, colorful tropical forest, there lived a special parrot named Peyton. Peyton was adorned with feathers that glimmered in shades of light pink, light purple, and light blue, resembling a cotton candy dream. Her feathers weren't the only thing delightful about her, for Peyton had a remarkable ability to mimic sounds she found funny. Every day, Peyton would perch on the highest branch of the tallest tree, overlooking the bustling forest below. Animals of all kinds wandered through. Squirrels chattered, monkeys scampered, and the occasional human visitor marveled at the paradise. Peyton, the playful parrot, loved to surprise the forest dwellers with her humor, copying their funny sounds. In the morning, when the first rays of sunlight filtered through the canopy, Peyton would wake up to the lively chatter of the squirrels. With a chuckle, she'd mimic their excited squeaks and giggles. Her mimicry wasn't always perfect, but it was always delightfully amusing, bringing smiles to all who heard her. As noon approached and the sun sat high in the sky, Peyton's favorite moment would arrive when the monkeys engaged in their playful games. On those branches, they'd leap and laugh, their calls echoing through the forest. While Peyton was known among her fellow creatures for her humor, she also had a gentle, kind nature. One day, deep within the forest, a little rabbit was crying. Peyton, noticing the bunny's sorrow, decided to tell a tale of laughter through her mimicry. Starting with the rabbit's own soft sniffles, Peyton used her magical voice, weaving in amusing bits and giggles from the squirrels and monkeys. Soon, the rabbit's tears dried, replaced by a radiant smile. "Thank you, Peyton," said the rabbit. "Your sounds of humor have lifted my spirit." "I'm always here to bring a smile," chirped Peyton cheerfully, her feathers shimmering in the sun. And so, as the day turned to night, the forest calmed. Peyton nestled onto her branch, her colorful feathers a comforting sight against the starry skies. With a final mimicry of the soothing sound of the wind passing through leaves, Peyton lulled the forest into a peaceful dream. And with her talent for mimicry, she filled the tropical forest with endless cheer, making every animal sleep soundly, knowing laughter was never far away.